So type of generator. Three-phase generators produce an almost constant potential difference across the X-ray tube. Three-phase generator, there is a commercial electric power usually produced and delivered by three-phase AC generator. So it will be easy to understand three-phase current if we think each phase in term of a degree rather than the time. So as three-phase phases 120 degree apart. So it has three waves of power flowing at evenly spaced intervals from each other. As you can see, the first phase starts at 0. This figure shows you that all the three phases separately, and they are on the last slide you will see it is superimposed on each other. So these are the phase 1, this is phase 1, this is phase 2, this is phase 3. So has three waves of power. They are flowing at evenly spaced intervals. So the first phase will start at a 0 degree, and the phase 2 lags 120 degree behind the phase 1, and then after that the phase 3, it is 120 degree behind the phase 2. So one wave is starting before the previous wave is depleted. So you can see this three phase, how the waves are generated in this three phase generators. So we will understand each phase in terms of degree rather than in terms of time. So as you see, because three phase generators produce an almost constant voltage, like it will give like that, because there is no deep valley. Like in a single phase there is a deep valley. The voltage will go from 0 to maximum, then come again to 0. So it produces the pulsating direct current. So in three phase generator, as you see कि यहाँ पे ये जो है valleys between the two of the pulses are not so deep like a single phase. So there are three basic types of three phase generators. One is 6 pulse 6 rectifier. Second one is 6 pulse 12 rectifier, and other one is the 12 plus rectifier, 12 plus pulse and 12 rectifier. So first we'll go through the three phase transformers. So three phase transformer has three sets of primary and secondary windings. Three section of winding in primary or secondary, they are connected in one of two configurations, either it is delta or या फिर y delta. So delta is like that and y is like that. It is also called star configuration. So physical appearance जो है इसकी, it is just like a single. जैसे आपका ये single फेस ट्रांसफार्मर था, इसकी फिजिकल अपीयरेंस भी सेम ही है. बट क्या है कि यहाँ पे जो द आउटपुट है, आउटपुट वोल्टेज may be of a same maximum value, but there is a 30 degree shift in the phase between two of the pulses. So as you can see, this is one is a delta, this one is a delta and this one is a y. ठीक है. जनरली जो प्राइमरी वाइंडिंग होती है वो डेल्टा होती है, दिस इज डेल्टा, एंड द सेकेंडरी वाइंडिंग इज y. So 6 pulse 6 rectifiers. So this is a diagram of the 6 pulse 6 rectifier. So this design employs a delta wound primary transformer with the y wound secondary transformer. So ये आपने देखा है, ये डेल्टा वाउंड प्राइमरी ट्रांसफार्मर है or this side is a secondary side and it is a Y wound transform. Output of the secondary winding is rectified with this 6 solid state rectifiers. So next is, as you can see in a 6 pulse, यहाँ पे आपको ये दिखेगा कि 3 maximum, there are 3 maximum, these are 3 maximum or 3 minimum voltages complete in one complete cycle, that is 1/60 seconds. So when rectified, then we will get these 3, these 6, ये भी हमें मिलेगी, ठीक है. So all the 6 positive maximum voltage cycles we will get, like phase 1 cycle, phase 2 cycle, phase 3, and with the in this 1/60 seconds में we will get the complete cycle with the 6 positive maximum voltage per cycle. So next is a 6 pulse 6 rectifier transformer. अब इसमें क्या होता है कि रेक्टिफायर्स अरेंजमेंट जो होता है दैट विल बी अ फुल वेव रेक्टिफिकेशन. ईच ऑफ वोल्टेज इज शोन इन अ फिगर. Rectifiers arrangement in this will full wave rectify each of the voltages shown in this figure. There are 3 maximum, these are the 3 maximum and 3 minimum voltage in one complete cycles. So when it is rectified, there will be a 6 positive maximum voltages per cycle. So that's why the term 6 pulse is used. So 6 pulse term is used in this. Like we are using this phase 1, that is 0 degree phase, and again 120 degree phase 2, then again 120 degree phase 3. So like that we will get the 6 pulses positive. So 6 pulse 6 rectifier transformer. So how full wave rectification will take place? How it will take place? Suppose this A is negative, okay, compared to the B. B is positive. Then electron will flow from A through the rectifier 3 and then it goes to the filament of the tube cathode side and then go toward the target anode side. Then through the rectifier R2 it will come to the B. So now what will happen? The B is negative with respect to A. Now B is negative, this A is positive. So now what will happen during this cycle? Then electron will flow from B through R1. So through R1, then it goes to the tube target, and from the R4 again it will go to A. ठीक है, then it will go to A. So by this method, full wave rectification of 3 phase will produce 6 pulse per cycle, like 360 pulses per second. So voltage will never falls to 0 in this, and the ripple factor is significantly reduced. Ripple factor, what is ripple factor? अब ripple factor है क्या? Ripple factor क्या है? It's a variation. Variation means it go maximum, minimum, then come to 0, then maximum, then come to 0. ठीक है, this is a variation in a voltage across X-ray tube that is expressed as a percentage of a maximum value. So maximum value. So अगर हम बात करें इसकी, तो with single phase ripple factor क्या है? 100%. Why? Because the voltage will go from 0 to maximum and again it come to 0. ठीक है, so हर वैल्यू में मैक्सिमम वैल्यू पे जाती है जे हर साइकिल में, देन कम टू अ 0. तो दैट्स वाई वी आर सेइंग द रिपल फैक्टर इज 100 इन अ सिंगल फेस. सिंगल फेस में हमारा जो है रिपल फैक्टर वो क्या होगा, 100 होगा. 6 पल्स. नाउ 6 पल्स सर्किट जो है इसका रिपल फैक्टर जो है दैट इज 13.5%, बिकॉज means 100 kV voltage will fluctuate between 86.5 kV. So 100 is a maximum, then it will fluctuate to 86.5 kV, then again it will go to 100. So इसका रिपल फैक्टर क्या होगा, 100 minus 86.5, that will be a 13.5%. ठीक है. So the ripple factor is 13.5. अगर 12 पल्स सर्किट की बात करते हैं, इट इज थियोरेटिकल रिपल फैक्टर दैट इज 3.5%. 3.5% कैसे होगा, लाइक दिस इज 100 एंड दिस इज 96.5 kV पे फ्लक्चुएट करती है आपकी वोल्टेज. तो ये क्या होगा, 100 minus 96.5, दैट विल बी 3.5% रिपल फैक्टर. Load ripple factor. When three-phase generators operated under the load, then ripple factor is more prominent. That is known as a load ripple factor. So, load ripple factor is always greater than the theoretical ripple factor. The load ripple factor of 12 pulses three-phase generator is 5%. Next is 6 pulse 12 rectifier. Still a 6 pulse circuit with this circuit is still a 6 pulse circuit with 13.5% theoretical ripple factor. Advantages over 6 rectifier circuit. 6 pulse rectifier circuit is that this circuit has fixed potential. This fixed potential to ground, and it allows 150 kV generator to have a transformer that provides a voltage of -75 to plus positive 75 kV to X-ray tube. 12 pulse. So the main difference is that secondary winding is not a double Y in the 12 pulse rectifier circuit, because क्या है, it has a one Y and one delta connection. So 12 pulse rectifier looks similar to the 6 pulse 12 rectifier transformer when the delta and Y winding connected together in the secondary winding. Then output of the delta will lag the Y by a 30 degree. So when you see the result, output of one winding will fill the ripple of other in this. So that results in a 12 pulse rather than 6 pulse output. So theoretical ripple reduced to 3.5% with load ripple factor of 5%. So modern generators designed on the principle of one Y and one delta configuration in winding of a high voltage transformer. So now the comparison. If we compare, like, single phase generator will give 100% of a ripple factor. Then three phase generator. Three phase generator, it nearly produce the constant potential. So that gives the major advantage over a single phase generator. That producing the pulsating direct DC potential, direct current potential. So now come to the advantages. Three-phase generators produce X-rays efficiently throughout the exposure. Gives the average X-ray energy is higher because there is no time to spend bombarding the X-ray tube target with the low energy electrons. So there is a no chance that कि low energy photons के पास कोई time नहीं है यहाँ पे during the inverse cycle जो होता है कि low energy electrons जो होते हैं वो bombard करें X-ray tube target के ऊपर. Three-phase generator has higher tube rating for the short X-ray exposures, and three-phase generators now being built to deliver the tube current of up to 2000 mA. So यही reason ये क्या करता है, इसकी वजह से क्या होता है, it is possible to produce a radiograph with extremely short exposure times and high repetition rate. So this feature is excellent for angiography.